Hmm? You follow me here, stranger? Shouldn't you be helping or doing your job? You finished with your chores already? That was quick. I'm not skipping, I'm just taking a quick break. Me and Travis decided to split to cover more ground. I mean, I'm not stopping you. Come sit. No, I'm rolling a bunch of leaves together for fun. What do you think I'm rolling? Yeah, it's my last one. I've smoked the rest already. Sure, you can have some. It's calm out here, isn't it? Yeah, everything's so quiet up here. All you can hear is birds and the trees swishing through the wind. Ah, finally, it's done. This is the last one I have, so make use of it. Yeah, I'm still shaken up about what happened with Van as well. I thought that out of everyone here, Ty would have been able to get help. You don't think we're actually gonna have to spend the winter here, do you? Yeah, I'm scared as well. Winter isn't like winter back home. Me and Travis haven't exactly been finding much food lately. I don't know what's going on around here. We used to find food out here easily when we first got here. Ugh, I'd kill for a cheeseburger, even a shitty one. Hey, remember when you, me, and Kevin stole those burgers and beers from the supermarket once? I know. How on earth did we not get caught? It was so obvious. Anyway, pass me back that joint. We used to have fun, didn't we? I wonder what Kevin and the others are doing right now. Oh yeah, I'm fine. I'm just thinking. How'd you know I was thinking about Travis? Hmm. I don't know. I thought he liked me, but, well, when he found out I wasn't some pure virgin girl like he wanted, well, I'm pretty sure it's over now. I don't know. I miss him. He can be really sweet when it's just us. Ugh, here I am. We're stuck in the wilderness with no way back home, and I'm crying over some dumb fucking boy. I deserve better, huh? What makes you think that? Because I'm the most kind-hearted out of everyone on this team. And also because I have the best hair. Thanks, that's a nice thought. So, if I shouldn't go for guys like Travis, what kind of boy do you think I should be into? Someone who knows how to treat me well. Someone nice and someone who makes me feel good about myself. Yeah. I guess I should go for someone like that, shouldn't I? You know anyone? One person. Who? I know them very well. Are they on the team here with us? Well, who then? What, you don't want to say? Why not? Because this person is afraid I'm gonna judge them? Why would I judge someone for having a crush on me? Well, I wouldn't judge this person even if they're a chick. And even if I don't like them back, I'd still be friends with them afterwards. So, can you tell me now? You'll show me? What do you mean by... What was that for? You're the person who likes me? You? Oh, shit. No. No, nothing's wrong. It's just... That was so fucking unexpected. No, look, you're great. You're amazing, and everything about you is wonderful, but you're a good person. You don't ruin things. Travis and me, we understood each other. We're alike. You're not like us. You know, damaged. No, that's not what I'm saying. It's just, you deserve better. Travis found something. I have to go. I'm sorry, but you're better off without me. I ruin everything I touch. I'm sorry. You should go. I'll meet you back at camp.